So now see here, the quiz CME, the answer for the quiz 000111555. So which surface is correct for the matrix shown here? 000111555. A, B, or C? I want the answer. A, B, or C? Can we go with A? We'll try with A. A is wrong. We'll try with B. E is correct. Okay. Same way, you're going to visualize the electricity data. So the revenue is here. I'm going to use the surface command, visualize the data. So surf of IR, MTH, revenue. I hope this command is correct. The title is not given, so I'll give the title, some title. I'm just giving it randomly. Okay, we can give any title. So the answer is correct. Get all ticks. Okay. This is using the surf command. The same surf command I'm using for the electricity revenue usage calculation. It's the same command I'm using for the electricity revenue calculation. Same thing, I can use it for a contour plot also. Here, month, usage, they're asking us to plot and add a title. So we'll submit and see what's the answer. We should get all ticks. See the contour. You don't understand anything from this unless you know the basics of contours. You should know how a contour is plotted, only then you can understand the data from this graph. You can use white ticks to interpret the data better. Just like X ticks, you can use white ticks also. It's a summary how to plot 3D data using surf, mesh, and contour. Finally, the project is also should be very simple. We are going to plot the data, that's all. So I'm going to load Boston data. We have seen yesterday, it is going to be the temperature versus temperature. So plot the low temperature as a line and high temperature as a line from the temperature matrix. To add the legend describing the two lines. So I'm going to, this temperature is having two columns, right? So one column is going to be row, another column is going to be high. So see here, I'm taking the example. Here, plot temperature. I'm going to legend. I'm going to give low, high. X-axis is day and y-axis temperature, and title is given suitably. Yes. So you need not plot them separately. If you plot temperature, it will plot the two region. Only thing you have to give the appropriate legend for low and high. That's all. That will make your plot simple. See, previous versions of MATLAB, you have to plot them separately. But now, using a single plot command, both will be plotted, and you have to give the legend appropriately. That's the only thing you have to do. Minimum value, and you have to add a horizontal line and a horizontal. Same in this plot, you have to add two lines, which is going to indicate the minimum value and minimum value for low temperature and high temperature. So it is very simple. I am going to add a red and blue line here. Here, minimum temperature I am measuring, maximum temperature I am measuring. For minimum temperature, I am adding blue line. For maximum temperature, I am adding red line. So if I run this code, you get a beautiful red and blue line, which is going to cross. It will be crossing like this. So the minimum temperature is here. The maximum temperature is going to be here. We will submit and see whether the answer is correct. Yes.